The 47 Skin Anti-Blemish and Scar Repair Serum has become increasingly popular among people looking for an effective way to manage acne and fade post-acne marks, thanks to its claims of combining natural and scientifically inspired ingredients to provide noticeable skin improvement. Many users have reported that, when applied consistently, the serum helps reduce the frequency of breakouts, smooths uneven skin texture, and gradually fades dark spots and redness left behind by healed acne. Its key active ingredient, silver Chitoderm, is designed to combat acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote the natural regeneration of skin cells, which may help both active blemishes and lingering scars. While the serum has garnered positive reviews from a significant portion of users, experiences can vary greatly depending on skin type, severity of acne, and consistency of application. Some users may notice quick improvements, while others might experience temporary irritation or skin purging before any visible benefit occurs, which is common with many active skincare products. It is important to understand that 47 Skin Serum is not a medical-grade treatment or a guaranteed cure for all acne types, including hormonal or cystic acne, but it can serve as a supportive tool for improving skin appearance over time. Its non-greasy, lightweight texture makes it easy to incorporate into a daily skincare routine, and it can be layered with other gentle moisturizers or sunscreens. However, users are advised to conduct a patch test before full application and to monitor for any adverse reactions. Overall, while 47 Skin Serum may not be miraculous for every individual, it is a legitimate product for those seeking gradual, noticeable improvements in skin clarity, texture, and overall appearance, particularly for mild to moderate acne and post-acne scarring. For best results, consistent use over several weeks, combined with proper skincare habits such as cleansing, exfoliating carefully, staying hydrated, and protecting the skin from excessive sun exposure, is recommended.